Hi, my name is Davis Nguyen, and my team and I have helped over 500 people just like you land offers at McKinsey, Bain, and BCG, just like these guys. First, I want to introduce you to one of our students, Brenda. Brenda was studying engineering at a non-target school. She only had 1 week to prepare for an interview at BCG and had never done a case interview before. But Brenda still managed to land a full-time offer at BCG with our proven method.
I'm very grateful to have connected with Davis and be a part of his community at my consulting offer. I only had 1 week to prepare before my first round of interviews at BCG for their full-time associate position. And I was studying engineering in my final year in a non-target school. And this was my first ever case interview experience. So prior to that, I never really did a case before. I didn't know exactly how it works and to practice where to even begin or where to go.
Next, we have Safwan. Safwan didn't go to a target school, didn't have a high GPA, he's never done a case before, and seriously questioned if we can even help him get an interview. Here's what happened.
The return on investment was just as much, if not more, than kind of what I put into my degree. Specifically for getting a job was way more than what my university provided me. And I didn't know what was actually possible with my background. I didn't have an amazing GPA, and my undergrad was from a non-target school. And so I kind of was tempered with there's a lot that they say they can help me, but how much can they actually help me? Will I actually be able to get where I want to go? And I think what convinced me was kind of the pedigree that I think you guys showed and the experience that you guys showed. So everyone on the team had been people who had worked at the firms that I wanted to work at and kind of had the kind of experience that I wanted to eventually achieve. And so knowing that those type of people were going to advise me meant that those were the best people to kind of assuage my fears or kind of get rid of whatever fears that I had.
Next, we have Patrick, who is an experienced hire. Prior to working with us, Patrick had been rejected by multiple firms. After completing the program, he was able to land more consulting offers than he could count.
Without a doubt, one of the best decisions of my life. It's for sure the best professional decision I've ever made. And financially, from an investment standpoint, it is the best investment I have ever made. I really wanted to get into consulting, so I was coming in through the experienced hire pipeline, which is a tough pipeline to crack in consulting. The end result, like I said in the beginning, this is the best investment I've ever made. And if the end result of you getting a consulting offer, getting a fantastic job and hopefully a job that you want and that will be rewarding and interesting to you, that is priceless. In the end, his program worked for me. I received numerous interviews, a couple of offers. I'm joining a consulting firm here next month.
Finally, we have Chun. She didn't have a business background, but managed to land an offer at McKinsey.
So my biggest worry was just looking at my background. I initially thought that consulting was really cut out for people who had either a finance degree, a business degree, an MBA, and I didn't have any of those in my background. I got an offer to join the McKinsey office in Washington, DC, and absolutely, I think this was probably one of the best decisions that I made.
Now you're probably wondering, who am I? My name is Davis Nguyen. Previously, I was a consultant and recruiter at Bain. After working at Bain, I decided to start my own business. And over the past 3 years, my business, called My Consulting Offer, has helped over 500 people just like you land jobs in management consulting from all different types of backgrounds. The best part? We help people who didn't go to target schools, who didn't have a high GPA, who didn't have a business background, or they felt like they were starting at a very late stage, and they all got into consulting. In fact, our unique process has even been featured in Business Insider. You see, getting into consulting without a business background, a high GPA, or going to a target school, or even seeming like you're starting late, might seem impossible, right? Not so, once you have a proven process. I realized that in order to get into consulting, you just need 2 things. 1, be able to craft a winning resume and cover letter that gets you interviews, and 2, be able to put together a case prep plan strong enough to land offers. That's it. Pretty simple, right? The problem is, most people have no idea how to successfully do either of these. Fortunately, at My Consulting Offer, we know exactly what you need to do in order to get interviews and land offers. In fact, our team of former recruiters from Bain, McKinsey, and BCG have interviewed over 50,000 candidates and reviewed over 300,000 resumes. So they know exactly what you need to put in your resume and cover letter to get those interviews, and exactly how to prepare for your case interviews so you land those offers. In fact, our proven process has over an 85% success rate, and we have a team of over 46 former recruiters and interviewers across 6 continents. Interested in learning more about how our proven process can help you get interviews and offers? Well, you're in luck. Here's what to do next. For a limited time, I've asked my team of former recruiters from Bain, McKinsey, and BCG to help anyone who's watching this YouTube video get more interviews and land more offers. When you click the button below, you'll be able to book a free 30-minute strategy call with one of the team members of our team. The best part, as I mentioned, this call is free, but only until slots run out. All you need to do is click the button below this video and schedule your free strategy session. The page will go down soon as the last pre-call slot is booked. So click the link below before it's too late. After the call, you'll be one step closer to getting a job in consulting.